Can't argue. Okay, again. Vishal, Ananya, Devika, Amulya, Pranit, and Sheetal. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Today we have an exciting video planned for you guys called Eat It or Quit It. Contestants, please raise their hands. Host, please raise your hand. So he'll be asking us a set of questions, 8 questions to be exact, and the person who knows the answer to those questions will raise their hand completely up, no half. And if he gets it right, he's safe. And if he gets it wrong, the question is moved on to the next contestants. The people who don't get the question right or fail to answer the question will have to undergo a certain punishment. Getting the first question wrong or failing to answer it, they'll have to eat 1 clove of garlic. Failing to answer the second question or getting it wrong, they'll have to eat a chunk of ginger. Third question, half an onion. Fourth question, a slice of bitter gourd. Fifth question, 1 red chili. Sixth question, 1 green chili. Seventh question, 2 green chilies. And eighth question, they'll have to eat 1 whole green chili, a big one. And the person who wins this game will get 1 medium pizza from Domino's with cheese burst. Okay, any contestant here can quit at any time by consuming this glass of milk. So let's get started. Yeah, so this question consists of 2 questions. There's 2 questions in it. So answering either one of the question makes them safe. Let's start with the first question. Yeah, who is the president, finance minister, and who is the president, defense minister of India?
Ajit Doval.
Wrong. You can answer one or you can answer both.
We pass, I don't know that.
Finance Minister of India, Nirmala Sitharaman. Alright. Anyone else wants to answer? Try at least, no? Audience?
Rajnath Singh.
Alright, Rajnath Singh. So the next question, the second question is, continue the sequence. Dash 8 27 64 dash 216. 1, 2, 3. Okay, go.
4.
Wrong. Go on. I'll give you 2. Wrong. Pranit.
1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216.
Yes. Pranit gets 2 answers right. So the third question is, what is hairy on the outside but soft and wet on the inside? Whose word start with the letter C, ends with the letter T?
So, hairy outside.
Hairy on the outside but soft on the inside. Whose word starts with the letter C, ends with the letter T? 1, 2. Anyone else? 3, 4. Okay. 1. Cat. Wrong. All right. It's coconut.
Shit! Oh my god! Yeah.
Go.
Subscribe.
God.
On. You guys finished eating? Yes. So the fourth question will be 4 minus 3 divided by 1. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, what
4.
is the Sheetal?
This is first.
What, dude?
Okay.
Wait. Recap.
But,
Yeah.
yeah, that was easy, bro.
Let's move on to the fifth question. Fifth question will be something like a general knowledge. Okay. Who was the first president of India? 1, 2, 3, 4. And who was the first woman president of India?
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Alright.
And woman President
Who was two?
Pratibha Allala.
Second it's me, right?
You can answer both.
Pratibha Patil.
Yes. Everyone will see it.
Go to
Simple
it.
as that. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಬೇಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ fast. ಆಯ್ತು ಮಾಡು.
Just play a tricky question. So, what goes up lets out a load.
Let's out the road.
Load lets out a load
Dude.
and then goes back down.
I reached first.
Second one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I reached first.
Yeah, who I said 1, please?
Cloud.
Rain.
3.
Shut up, man. You're out.
comes back down.
Shut up.
I'm right.
Pranit,
Not arguing.
See there, milk.
Let's move on. Let's move on, shall we? What is the official name of coronavirus? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I need a recap in this, yeah.
Vishal first.
Vishal.
First, second, third.
Coronavirus December 2019.
COVID-19.
SARS. Coronavirus. 19.
I abort.
Aborta.
About Ready? Be very attentive in this next round because it's gonna decide you getting the clue or not. Okay. Someone's having a moment. Stay out of his league right now. People are coughing. When did India win the World Cup? How many times and who led it? 1, 2, 3, 4.
3 times.
When is 1983?
19?
83?
Okay.
Then
Who led it? Who led it? Who led it?
Kapil Dev.
2011. Dhoni.
Alright.
I quit it.
So, as of now, the situation is like this. The contestants you see in front of you have all 2 questions, 2 points with them. So we have arranged a bonus question for these guys. So, the final question is drum roll, please. The final question is, which is the national song of India and who wrote it? Replay.
Recap. Okay. Vande Mataram and Bankim Chandra Chatterjee.
Ananya.
Yay! Scream, man! Come on!
The winner of the competition has been decided. Unfortunately, Domino's Pizza doesn't deliver to this location. So instead, we got this extra large pizza, extra large chicken supreme pizza from Laziz with extra cheese toppings. So here you go. the winner of our Get It or Quit It challenge. Anya. Open mic first.
Subscribe.